Hey everyone, this is Suraj, and today we're going to learn about strings and comments. So let's get right at it. You already know what strings are, and when I wrote this before, so this is a string. Hey is a string because it's enclosed within double quotes. Just like how you can assign values to like integer and floating values to variables, you can also assign strings to variables. And just so you know, there's another function to check what type of variable it is, and you do that by doing type of a. We'll also print the value, print a. Okay, we'll save and execute this. There you go. Hey, that's the first statement. You give 2 to a, and you're printing the type of a, which is int, stands for integer. So you can also do this for floating point numbers in case you don't know what that is. Floating point are anything with decimals 4.2, anything 8.6, 16.9, anything. So I'll just go ahead and copy this and paste it here. See, this is of type float, that means floating point. And just like that, you can assign strings to variables like Deadpool, X-Force. I'm going to do this, save and run. See, str standing for string. It stays the same until you change it. So I change this to Captain Deadpool. So the same variable a carries all these variables, all these values, and until you change it, it will still be the same. So yeah, these are strings. And one more thing is, you don't have to use double quotes. You can also do away with single quotes. It would still be the same, no change. All right, now we'll see what comments are. And comments are something that you use to help others who are reading your code or yourself to understand it better. So something like yeah, I'm just gonna club this part because it's about Deadpool, and I'm gonna write hash. So whatever I write after hash, anything after hash, that's a comment. That means this won't be taken into consideration when executing the program. This will only be there and can only be viewed when viewing the code. Okay, so it can be like this section deals with, oh sorry, all right. So now you know that the below section deals with a crackhead. So this is what comments are used for. You can also give comments here, like you can say this is the name, say just Deadpool. And if this is area, if a stood for area in your code, then you can just give it as area, so someone else reading your code would know that this variable is used for calculating area, or this holds the value of area. So this is what comments are for. Okay, so let's a quick recap. Whatever you write inside double quotes is considered as string, and this is a floating type number, this is an integer, and you can get to know what type of value the variable holds by using the function type, and inside you can give the parameter as a. Then you can also assign strings to variables. You can use double quotes or single quotes for strings. Then anything you write after hash is considered as comments, and it won't be visible in the program. Just run it. Yeah, see, you can't see it in the program. It helps you understand the code better. Okay, so strings, comments, type, integer, floating point. That's how much you learned today. Okay, leave your doubts and suggestions in the comments, and see you guys next time.